Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading. It is May 15th, 2014. I haven't made a video in a couple of days. We had one day where we had to close the trading room, and so I want to get back into the habit of making these videos every day. And let's just start off with the Russell. And the market's been very, very difficult to trade. And let's say the Russell open. Now here was our first trade. We had a move down, C candle retracement, no signal, but it didn't matter. And we took it short for 28 ticks. Auto Trader was in the trade too. Auto Trader took 3 trades today and had 3 wins. Now here was another entry right here. Retracement right into the modified 15, deep into it, buried into it is really the most conservative entry we have. Did not take it. I was a little concerned between the space between the 50 and the 15. Should have taken this trade to the short side. But we got our 28 ticks. Then lots of chop. And then we got our next retracement trade. Stutter stepped up. Retraced for the move up. Now this actually was also a signal right here. This was a little more aggressive because the 50 had not quite rolled, but you can see it was also the same thing. The move up, the retracement, and this would have been, let's see how many ticks that would have gone. Just a guesstimate there. There's so much going on. It would have been a first target win. Then, very, very choppy market. And we had our only Russell loss right here. Now the 50 was rising, but I felt we had enough downward momentum to take the trade. We had a nice move down. We didn't chase the market down through that rising 50. We then had the retracement very tight to the modified 15. And I figured with this move down, now remember this was with, you can see the candles outlined in pink. It's with order flow and momentum that we would get at least a 5 target move. It didn't, 5 tick move. Did not do it. It went 4. It struggled. I think it stopped. I don't think it stopped us out here, and it then tried to push down again, and then it just reversed. Then we had, there's a 15 is up, 50 is up. We have the C candle engulfing off the 50 for a move up for 20 ticks. Here was another miss right here. Nice trade. You see, the Russell really offered us a lot of trades today, but we got a lot from the Russell. We got 6 second target winners, which is really all we're going to get, all we're ever going to go for. We're not going to go for a 7th. This was another move down. You can see it's the same pattern over and over again. You take the move from here, the retracement up, the move down. It gave us 9 ticks of heat, 9 ticks, and then went 11 in our favor. And then we weren't done. We got this beautiful, beautiful move on the Russell. Move up. Retracement. 17 ticks. We got a lot of winners on the Russell today. We had no trades on gold. Gold was just a miserable trading chart today. miserable. And these are the first two trades of the day. We started with two losers. Break. This is on crude. Retracement. Stop out. Retracement. More conservative entry. Stop out. Retracement. Even more conservative entry. And that one ran. Unfortunately, we should have taken this third entry. Your central nervous system is a little bit in shock after you take a first retracement. It fails. Pulls tighter into the modified 15. It fails. Then you get a third move, even tighter. It's tough to take that third, and I just didn't do it. It would have been a really, really nice trade, and it would have given us a springboard, a fast springboard. We still wound up with a very nice day, but it would have given us a 36-tick trade right off the bat to clean out one of these losers right off the bat. Then the only other trade that we had on crude today was this trade right here. Was the break of the 15. The retracement, and the move down for 15. So what we had today were 9 trades, 6 winners and 3 losers. Those 3 losers, 2 of those 3 were right here on crude oil, tough losses right here. And the other one was on the Russell that went 4 ticks. We had on the Russell, we had 28, 10, 20, 11, and 17. And that one 10-tick loss that went 4 ticks and couldn't get a fifth. On crude, we had plus 15. We had the 2 losses, minus 10, minus 10, our first 2 trades of the morning. Our net ticks were plus 71 net equity. If you traded 5 contracts with a runner, you made 500. 4 contracts with no runner, you made 600. The auto trader was 3 for 3. Took 3 trades, 3 winners, net equity. We have it set only to scaling for 3 contracts, very, very modest. We could post a mega net equity by throwing a whole bunch of additional contracts into the auto trader, but we don't want to do that. Really, the key here is it had 3 trades, 3 winners. If you can set it for as many contracts as you like, and it would have done real well for you today. Now, the profit wouldn't have been additive unless you traded 2 separate accounts, because the 3 trades the auto trader took, I also took. But we wound up with nice profit, either $500 or $600 in the trading room, $600 on the auto trader. Now, we would love to have you in the room for a free trial. All you have to do is go to www.rightlinetrading.com. You can hit the link to see the equity in our live trading room every day. There's a link to see the equity on the auto trader every day, and there's also a line up for the live trading room. You can email us at info@rightlinetrading.com, or you can go to 1-855-765-6681 and just give us a call. And you'll see that we've taken a drawdown. This has been a hard week, but we post our losses. We don't hide them. Day trading is a tough business, and if you want to be a professional day trader, you got to deal with the drawdowns. And this has been a very hard week. Crude has given us almost nothing this week, and gold as well, nothing. It's like all the volatility is leaked out. Now, Monday is contract rollover day for crude, and that may be part of the reason. But normally we get really nice trend trades out of crude, and they help us. They help provide us with an additional market to trade. But crude has been very tough, and we got no trades out of gold today. So it hasn't been an easy market to trade, but we had 6 second target wins to clean up those losses and give us really a very tidy profit for the day. So looking forward to seeing everyone in the room. Everyone have a wonderful day. Take care.